Text: LG dishwasher.
Troubleshooting an LG dishwasher that is not draining.
A hand opens the top drawer of a dishwasher. 5 sections to the video appear at the bottom with an arrow that leads to more sections. Intro: check for food debris, clean the filter, 4 spray arm unit, check the drain hose. Intro is highlighted first.
Draining problems with an LG dishwasher are most often the result of food clogs or installation issues. Both of these causes can usually be resolved without a technician by using a few troubleshooting steps.
The display pad on the dishwasher circled.
Also, if you see an OE code on the dishwasher's display, that code is alerting to a drainage problem. Let's fix it.
Check for food debris section highlighted. At the bottom of a dishwasher sits particles of food.
Check the dishwasher tub for food residue and other debris. Remove the larger bits that may not wash out.
The filter at the center bottom of the machine is circled. At the bottom, the clean the filter section is now highlighted.
Cleaning the filter is essential in keeping the dishwasher performing at its best.
A hand removes the cylindrical filter from the bottom of the machine and empties it into a trash bin.
For the best wash performance, clean the filter after each load. Note that if food debris remains in the filter, it may cause an odor.
At a sink with the water running, hands clean the cylindrical piece of the dishwasher filter, followed by the round screen.
In areas with hard water, clean the filter at least once a month with a soft brush. To clean the filter, start by removing the lower rack. The filter is located below the long spray arms under the rack.
The cover of the LG dishwasher owner's manual
We'll give you general instructions now, but you can refer to your product owner's manual for model-specific information.
At the bottom, the 4 spray arm unit section is now highlighted.
If your unit has 4 spray arms, after removing the lower rack, position the bottom spray arm so a wider V is open to the front. Turn the mesh filter counterclockwise and take out the assembled inner filter and stainless steel filter, being careful of sharp edges when handling. Then clean the filters with a soft brush under running water. Reassemble the filters before replacing them. Then fit the assembled filters back into the filter holder and secure them by turning the inner filter clockwise until it clicks into place.
Check the drain hose section is now highlighted. At the back of the dishwasher, a gray hose is attached by a hook.
The dishwasher will not drain properly if the drain hose is kinked. Inspect and adjust the drain hose to avoid kinks.
In an under-the-sink cabinet, a gray hose is bent in half.
Now look under the sink for a rigid or corrugated hose. It will either be white, opaque, or gray. Check if anything has gotten pushed against it or on top of it, causing the hose to become pinched or kinked. Straighten the hose and run a test cycle.
At the bottom, the previously covered sections slide over to show 6 further sections. Check the air gap, new dishwasher installation, force the drain, new garbage disposal installation, request a repair, and more info. The check the air gap section is now highlighted.
Check the drain air gap or in-sink disposal for debris and clogs.
The power button on an LG dishwasher is circled.
To do this, make sure the unit is turned off. Remove the air gap cover and plastic cup underneath it. Looking down into the air gap, clean out any debris with a toothpick or brush. Use a turkey baster to pour hot water into the air gap to clean it. Then replace the plastic cap and the air gap cover.
New dishwasher installation section highlights.
If this is a new dishwasher installation, check if the drain hose is kinked too high or too long. If so, it should be corrected by the installer. The drain hose should not exceed 12 feet in length. Do not add any type of extension. The height of the drain hose end must be at least 12 inches and within 40 inches from the base of the appliance to avoid water being siphoned from the tub.
Force the drain section highlighted.
To perform a drain only, check the control panel for the cancel and drain option. This is activated by pressing and holding 2 buttons simultaneously, such as delicate and dual control. The 2 buttons may vary depending on your model. If your model does not have a cancel and drain option, let it run for 45 seconds, then power the unit off. The first 45 seconds of any cycle are drain only.
New garbage disposal installation section highlighted.
If the garbage disposal is new, or it is the first time a dishwasher has been connected, The opening for the dishwasher's drain hose may still be plugged.
Hands attach a hose to the knockout plug with a clamp.
The knockout plug is to be removed by either an installer or plumber. Remove the knockout plug with a hammer and screwdriver. Attach the drain hose to the disposal with the hose clamp provided. Move it into position and tighten the hose clamp.
At the bottom, the Request a Repair section highlights.
If you have tried all of these options and you see the OE display code, the unit will require a repair service.
LG.com support webpage, Request a Repair at the top.
Please visit our Request a Repair page. If the OE code does not display, you need to clean the unit completely. To do this, clean the filter, if applicable, then remove and clean the spray arms. Afterward, run an empty cycle with a cup of vinegar or a dishwasher cleaner.
Article on LG.com titled LG Dishwasher Cleaning Tips.
For detailed instructions, please refer to our dishwasher maintenance article at lg.com/us/support.
More info section highlighted at the bottom.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text lg.com/us/support. Logos for Twitter, Facebook, Message, email, and phone. Fine print. This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic error and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.